Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video, I want to prepare tomato chicken stew. So here is my ingredients. This is my tomato. How we prepare this tomato is on my YouTube channel. This is tomato paste. So here is my spicy rose and crayfish and seasoning cubes, bay leaf, scotch bonnet pepper, the yellow one, and onion. This is my boiled chicken. This is cooking oil, okay? Salt and seasoning cubes. So join us as we're about to prepare this. So cover it for everything to boil very well. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This is our tomato chicken stew. It will be delicious. Our soup is ready. This is our tomato chicken stew. This is turmeric Nigerian fufu. How we prepare it is on my YouTube channel. Here we have vegetable. This vegetable is on my YouTube channel too. Manuela, come a eat. people. Philip, Manada, come and watch it. Join us. This is yummy food. This is delicious. The fufu is like pounded yam. Bye bye. Mwah. Pretty.